Today we are going to show you how to build a live edge serving board with a handle. After selecting the piece of wood you're going to use, you will want to figure out the layout of where your handle is going to be. The location of the handle is totally up to the maker, but if your handle happens to fall on the board where there is a void or a knot, you will want to fill the void or knot with epoxy to stabilize the wood before you cut. After you've determined the location of your handle, you will want to trace the profile onto the board. Once your handle profile is cut, you can use the flush trim bit on your router to trim the profile flush. Once we have the handle profile flush cut, it is time to trim your board to length. Now that your board is trimmed to its final length, it's time to add a few edge details. We start by cutting a radius onto the corners. We use our oscillating belt sander to clean up our corner profiles and any sharp edges. After the 1/4 inch round over, it is time to sand your workpiece. We sand through all the grits up to 180 grit. Now it's time to finish your board. We are using Rubio Monaco Pure 2C oil for this board. But you can also use cutting board oil or mineral spirits to finish your board.